Equality before law. Article 14 says that no person shall be denied treatment of equality before the law or the equal protection of the laws within the territory of India. The right is extended to all persons, whether citizens or foreigners, statutory corporations, companies, registered societies, or any other type of legal person. Prohibition of discrimination. Article 15 provides that no citizen shall be discriminated on grounds only of religion, race, caste, sex, or place of birth. Certain provisions can be made for the women, children, citizens from any socially or educationally backward class for their upliftment, such as reservation and access to free education. Equality of opportunity in public employment. Article 16 of the Indian Constitution provides for equality of opportunity for all citizens in matters of employment or appointment to any public office. There are provisions for reservation in appointments or posts for any backward class that is not adequately represented in the state's services. Abolition of untouchability. Article 17 abolishes untouchability and forbids its practice in any form. The enforcement of any disability arising out of untouchability shall be an offence punishable in accordance with law. A person convicted of the offence of untouchability is disqualified for election to the Parliament or state legislature. Abolition of titles. Article 18 of the Constitution of India abolishes titles. No title, not being a military or academic distinction, shall be conferred by the state. No citizen of India shall accept any title from any foreign state. No person who is not a citizen of India shall, while he holds any office of profit or trust under the state, accept without the consent of the President any title from any foreign state. No person holding any office of profit or trust under the state shall, without the consent of the President, accept any present, emolument, or office of any kind from or under any foreign state.
இது போன்ற தகவல்களை அறிய இணைந்திருங்கள் புதியுகத்துடன்.